Hello guys, I wish I could speak like Alina ma'am. I wish I could speak like Kanchan ma'am, but I don't know how to speak English without hesitation, without underconfidence. Because when we start speaking English, so that times I think something like this. This times I am making the wrong, and very sure people are making the mistake, or people are making the fun. So how to improve our communication skill without mistakes? So if you are interested, if you are cup of tea, so please watch my video completely till the end. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As you know very well, my name is Rajni and you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So today in my video I am going to tell you, if you are interested, if you are cup of tea of speaking English without mistake, without underconfidence, without hesitation, so please mm, watch my fully video. Okay, and first of all I would like to tell you, don't think about any mistake. Okay, even native speaker make the mistake, so please avoid this thing. Only try to speak English because your passion, your passion for improving English, your passion as like speak native speaker, as Alina ma'am, as Kanchan ma'am. So please avoid this thing. Only try to speak English and only focus on your journey for improving English. And all the times we judge ourselves, because this times I am making the mistake and people are making the fun and people are making the mistake. So how can we start speaking English in front of other peoples, because people are making the fun? So I don't know how to improve, because all the times I get confused while speaking English. So today in my video I would like to tell you everything. First of all, I would like to tell you, if you are interested for improving English, so please avoid this thing, because this times I am making the mistake. Okay, actually mistake is common thing. This is a not big deal. Even native speaker make the mistake. So please avoid this thing. Only try to speak English because you want to be fluent in English. Okay. And next one, you start speaking English in front of other people, so that time you are not comfortable with other person, so you can start with yourself and you can record your video in English, and then you can check your mistake and you can find your mistake, and after that you can correct. Okay, and so that time after that, you should think something like this, because this times I am making the mistake and next times I will not make the mistake. Okay, because I want to be fluent, I want to be perfect, so I can do it. Okay, so I think this way is very good for improving English and your confidence will be increased. Actually all the times I something like this. This times I am making the mistake, and I am being the insulted by speaking English. I am being criticized while speaking English. So how we can start speaking English? So please avoid this thing. Only try to speak English. If you are interested, so definitely you should avoid these things, only try to speak English. And next one, you should have the practice, because practice is very necessary, and without practice we can't speak English. And when you start speak English in front of other peoples, and you make the video, and you record. So please, without a mistake, without thinking something like this, because this times I am making the wrong, you you should make the video, you should speak with other person without thinking any mistake. Okay, actually this times I am making the video, okay, in front of you, and definitely I am making the mistake. Okay, all the times I watch my videos, so that times I find, because this times I am making the mistake, and this times I am making the wrong sentence, I am speaking wrong sentence. So next times I will be perfect, I will not make the mistake. Okay, so I think this way is very good, and definitely you will be improved. I have one example. Okay, actually when one child tried to speak his native language, so that times he doesn't think about any mistake, and he speaks his native language without making the mistake, only speak. So when he speaks wrong sentence, wrong his native language, and after that parents correct, because this times you are wrong. Okay, you should you should speak something like this. Okay, so I think this way is very good, and when you make the mistake, and you will be perfect. Okay, I think this is a I think this is a very good way for improving English. So please don't avoid something, please avoid these things, only try to speak English, and please don't judge yourself. Actually when you judge yourself, so that times you get confused while speaking English. So please don't avoid these things, only try to speak English, and practice is very necessary for improving English. Without practice you can't speak English. All the videos I said to you. So please, only try to speak English, and only have the practice for improving your communication skill. And another thing I have, listen. Okay, listening power is very important, and when you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So please don't don't think about much, only try to speak English, and I believe definitely you will be perfect in English, like Alina ma'am, like Kanchan ma'am. So all the times I think something like this, I wish I could speak like Kanchan ma'am, I wish I could speak like Kanchan ma'am, but I couldn't, because I don't have the practice. I don't have I don't have listen the English video, because all the times I think something like this, because this times I am making the wrong, this times I am making the wrong sentence. How we can start speaking English in front of other people are making the fun at me, so how to start? So please don't think, only try to speak English if you want to be fluent in English. So please avoid these things, only try to speak English, don't judge yourself, and speak more much, and have the practice more much. Okay, so in the end I am saying something like this. If you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Okay, so till then, bye bye.